Haplast Group shines at IFE London 2025. Day one has been incredible. Our passionate sales team is here, ready to connect and showcase cutting-edge packaging solutions. With over 20 years of expertise, we provide high-quality, sustainable packaging, from food storage bags and freezer bags to takeout and premium shopping bags. Our advanced printing technology, with up to 12 colors, ensures brands stand out, whether on store shelves, in restaurants, or for delivery services. And best of all, we customize packaging to fit your needs. Today, we've had exciting discussions with global brands. Customization and sustainability are no longer trends. They are the future, and Haplast is leading the way. Don't miss out. Visit us at IFE London 2025 and let's elevate your brand together.